Now, we have capital M, capital small m. What is the next letter that follow? N. Very good. Capital N, small n. When you look at these letters, what is the word that comes to you? N for nose. Very good. Nose. Your nose. Now, letter N. What is the sound that letter N will make? Nose, nail, nail. All right. Now, let us say we are out in the garden, teacher's taken you out, and here an airplane passes on the top. What does the airplane do? It makes noise. Yes? It makes noise and everybody looks up. Let's remember the airplane and the noise and try to remember the sound of letter N. Nose, nail, nest. Birdie's nest, no? So let's look at the airplane now. Let's listen to the noise. If it is flying very low, what will the noise? Oh, you'll put the hands on your ears. All right? Now, let's imagine an airplane is flying. 1, 2. The song goes like this. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise. To remember the sound of letter N, N as in, you'll remember the song. Alright? Let's take the song again. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise. Now you'll remember the sound of letter N is Good. What will be the next letter that will follow? After letter N, letter O. O for in the tree hole. What's the animal you find there? Little birdie. Owl in the tree hole. Big eyes, isn't it? Owl. Now, what is that something that you like to eat that is round? Orange. Very good. Owl, orange. Oh. Yes? Now, what is that in the sea? It's got 8 legs. Octopus. O for orange, O for owl, O for octopus, O for ostrich, the biggest bird. Yes? Octopus, ostrich, orange. What is that makes mommy cry when she cuts? Onion. Very good. What's the sound of letter O? O. To remember the sound of letter N as O, let's learn a song. Yes? Now you have switches at home. You'll put it off when you go to bed. You put it on when it's dark, isn't it? Yes? Now, let's suppose it's time for bed and we are all going to sleep and you're going to put off the light, okay? Now, it's evening time. First we have to put on the light. Put our hands on the switch. Now it's dark. The lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed. The lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. What is the sound of letter O? O. So you'll remember evening time, the lights on. Sleepy time, lights go off. Okay? Now, close your eyes. You're going to put the light on. Now it's dark. The lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. time for bed. The lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Yes? What are the words with oh? Owl. Oh, owl. Oh for owl. Oh. Oh, orange. Oh, ostrich. Oh, octopus. Good. What can be the letter that follows after O? Favorite letter? P. Yes. What is the color when you see P? Pink. Very good. What is the fruit that you love to eat with a lot of thorns on it? Pineapple. Very good. P for pink. P for pineapple. Name the bird that can be taught to talk. Parrot. Very good. So, we are going to learn to remember the sound of letter P. How do you remember the sound of letter P? What is the sound first? P. Three finger and P. When you say P, P, your finger near your lips, and the breeze from the mouth must fall on the finger. P. Yes? Now, to remember the sound as P, P as P, we're going to have a birthday cake. Okay? Shall we? Now, let's say there is a nice pink cake with a lot of candles. Yes? And on your birthday, you're given a pink cake in the shape of a pig, and you're supposed to blow the candles out. Yes? You're going to blow. Shall we? So that's it. Let's imagine a cake is there, the shape of a little pig, and it's pink in color. All right, here's the candle, here's the cake. Let's learn to sing the song. 1, 2. Puff out the candles on the pink pig kite. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Good. So what's the sound of letter P? Puff. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. So you want to tell me some words? Parrot, pet, pink. Good, very good. Now, what can be the next letter that follow letter P? Good, Q. When you look at the capital letter and small letter Q, what words come in? You little girls like to dress up with a little crown on the head. Everyone will call you what? Queen. Very good. You put a crown on the head and you dress up like a queen. Yes, queen. Very good. Then a feather from a bird. You can use it to ride. Dipping and ride. What do you call that? Quill. Yes, queen. Quill. Babies get nice soft little mattress. Soft little cushion-like thing to cover the baby, to keep the baby warm. What do you call that? Quilt. Very good. Good. Queen. Quilt. Now there's a little bird that's called quail. What's the sound of letter Q? Quack. I'm sure you're gone for a picnic. And the picnic spot has a nice little pond. Let's imagine in the pond there are a lot of ducks swimming around. Okay? And when they swim about in the pond, what is the sound they will make? Quack, 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 quack. Yes, let's imagine that. Sing a song to remember the sound of letter Q as quack. All right? Let's look at all the ducks in the pond. Okay? Ducks in the pond says quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the pond says quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the pond says quack, quack, quack. All around the pond. So when the ducks are moving about, they'll say quack, quack, quack. What's the sound of letter Q? Quack. Let's take the song again. The ducks in the pond says quack, quack, quack. The ducks in the pond says quack, quack, quack. The ducks in the pond says quack, quack, quack. All around the pond. What's the sound of letter Q? Quack. Alright? You enjoyed, I suppose? Good. What's the next letter that will follow? Q. After Q. Very good. The next letter that follows is R. Capital R, small r. When you look at letter R, who is this sitting over here? Rabbit. R for rabbit. Yes, rabbit. R for rabbit. What's the small thing that goes gnawing on the wood? Yes, rat. Rabbit, rat. You like to play with the rain. In the rain with an umbrella. Rain, rabbit, rat, rain. After the rain, what do you see in the sky? Rainbow. Very good. What is the sound of letter R? Very good. Okay. Now, let's suppose your little puppy doesn't like the doormat over there or the rag in the house. What will he do? You see him taking and tearing it up. Yes, good. Now let's remember the puppy and the little rag and sing the song to remember the sound of letter R is Let's remember the puppy pulling the rag. Look at the puppy now, holding a rag, and he's going to rip it out. Okay, 1, 2. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. So what is the sound of letter R? Take a song again. Look at the puppy. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Now you'll remember the sound of letter R. R. Rabbit. Rat. Rabbit. Yes? Very good. Now, what's the next letter that comes after letter R? S. Very good. Capital S, small s. Now look at the shape of the letter S. When you look at letter S, what is the creature that you'll find in the garden? Must be hiding somewhere here. Good, snake. S for snake. What else? With the shell that keeps crawling around. Snail. S for snail. What is the big yellow flower that comes up in your garden? Sunflower. Very good. S for sunflower. Who wakes you up? That comes in the sky, bright and through your window, into your bed. Sun. Very good. S for sun. S for snake. S for snail. S for, what about your shoe? Good. Now, what is the sound of letter S? If you think of a snake, what does the snake say? Where does the snake hide? In the grass. This is grass here. If there is a snake, he'll be hiding over there. And by mistake, if you go to stamp finish, what will he say? So let's remember the grass. Let's remember the snake. To remember the sound of letter S, let's take the song. Let's suppose there's one snake lying here. Okay? Take it. 1, 2. Put your hand up. The snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Take it again. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. So will you remember when you see letter S? Sun. Snake. Very good. Sunflower. So the sound of S is very good.